Do you want your next SUV to be fully electric or a plug-in hybrid? Yes!
1, 2.
Presenting the BYD Atto 2, 5-seat SUV from the world's leading new energy vehicle manufacturer, available in two versions, a fully electric version, the Atto 2 EV, or a plug-in hybrid version like this one. With the Atto 2 EV, you get the unparalleled smoothness and efficiency of an all-electric drivetrain. It is powered by a single electric motor driving the front wheels, and with the sizable blade battery, it can go quite the distance. And because it is electric, therefore does not need fuel, it has exceptionally low running and maintenance costs. Since it's a full EV, you also get the benefit of V2L technology, so you can power your gadgets on the go, turning your Atto 2 into a giant power bank. You can charge your Atto 2 at home or access any of AC Mobility's growing charging network, giving you the freedom to explore the countryside without fear of running out of charge. And it's been done already too. With BYD's Drive Electric Love Pinas campaign, they've gone across the country with an EV and have the records to show for it. But what if you want an Atto 2 that can go for longer distances between breaks? Well, that's why they have the Atto 2 DMI. Powered by BYD's Super DMI technology, it pairs a gasoline engine with an electric motor and their blade battery so that it can go quite far. How far? Try 1,045 kilometers on a single tank of fuel and a single charge. The only question now is, how much coffee can you handle driving that far? Visually, both versions are almost identical with a high roof line and a raised ground clearance for practicality. The two-box format yields plenty of interior volume, but the rounded edges make the Atto 2 aerodynamic and give it a timeless appeal. The standard suspension consists of front struts and a rear torsion beam, with 65 series 16-inch tires for the Atto 2 EV and the DMI Dynamic, and lower profile 60 series 17 inches for the Atto 2 DMI Premium. As for charging time, you will need just 7.4 hours to fully charge an Atto 2 EV with a standard AC charging station, or around 24 minutes using a DC station. As for the Atto 2 DMI, you will need 2 hours to bring it from 15 to 100%. Whether you go for the EV or the DMI, you get treated to a beautiful cabin. It has a minimalist theme, but still has a lot of functional storage spaces, cubby holders, and whatnot, because this is ideal as a family car for long road trips or day-to-day commutes. So with the EV, you get leather upholstery with this beige and black interior, as well as a 6-way power-adjustable driver's seat. With the DMI, you get breathable fabric upholstery and simpler but still comfortable manually adjustable seats up front. Whether it's the EV or the DMI Premium, you get a 12.8-inch touchscreen, which is rotating in the EV. You also get a 6-speaker audio, auto climate control, and an 8.8-inch instrument cluster. It's an SUV, so you've got yourself a lot of storage spaces, cubby holes, and cup holders for all of your stuff. BYD's D-Pilot ADAS suite is available on the Atto 2 DMI Premium. This means you get the benefit of a 360-degree camera system with a see-through mode, front and rear sensors, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, front collision warning, intelligent cruise control, intelligent speed limit information, and high beam assist. The standard safety and security features include front, side, and curtain airbags, ABS, hill descent, brake override, traction control, stability control, tire pressure monitoring system, and anti-theft. With its compact dimensions and tight turning circle, the Atto 2 is very enjoyable to drive and easy to master, whether you're an experienced driver or you just got your license. Now, the ride quality of the front strut suspension and rear torsion beam is tuned more towards comfort rather than overt sportiness. Having said that, it's quite a nimble machine and would be quite enjoyable for a long road trip out in the twisties. And for more practical use, it is very easy to maneuver in and out of tight parking spots or in gridlock. Power from the all-electric motor is more than adequate for most people's needs. And more importantly, it's easy to modulate. It's not going to bite you back. And if you need to rein it in, you've got very reliable stopping power from the all-disc brakes. How about running and maintenance costs? Well, with the excellent fuel efficiency of the Super DMI technology, you can be assured that your fuel consumption costs with the Atto 2 DMI will be far less than with the average ICE engine. As for your maintenance costs, well, BYD has given a number, and that over the course of 5 years, your preventive maintenance service expenses will set you back less than 13,000 pesos per year. Winner! And it's even lower with the Atto 2 EV. Charging costs aside, which will still cost you less per kilometer than with an equivalent ICE. The total 5-year maintenance cost for the Atto 2 EV in terms of your preventive maintenance is just a little over 30,000 or around 6,037 pesos per year. Could you imagine the savings that you get when you switch to electric? The BYD Atto 2 comes with a comprehensive 6-year warranty for the vehicle, 8 years for the battery, and 8 years for the drive unit, giving you peace of mind over the course of your electrified ownership. Finally, the pricing. The BYD Atto 2 is priced just right so you can enjoy a great drive and have money left over to enjoy whatever it is you want to do. It's your money, right? So which one will it be? Is it going to be this one, the BYD Atto 2 EV? Or will you go with the Atto 2 DMI? Either way, you just can't go wrong.